जवान बादशाह
मैं जरा अपने सब्जेक्ट में बात करूं। In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, it is great honor for me that I am standing in front of you in the company of the senior teachers and the principal school, Chaudhary Urufkarani. So this ceremony that was organized for our respected teacher and colleague, Mr. Shaukat Ali. So I have a short span of time in this institute. I joined it in 2015 and in this short span of time, definitely I have also learned a lot from him. So as the senior teachers, they have already discussed a lot of merits, characteristics related to his personality, but I want to be a realistic. So as a realistic, I would like to say that he is not only a senior teacher, but he has also a fatherly personality. So as a junior, he used to guide me about different matters, especially about my timetable, adjustment of classes. So in the earlier days, I was totally dissatisfied from my school job. So he, along with his different senior teachers, they guided me that it would be beneficial for you in your future life. And now I realize that that was my better decision, and that was all due to his fatherly personality. So let me talk about something funny or jolly related to his personality, that he is not only a fatherly personality, he is also a romantic husband as well. I was just getting an idea, a story we used to teach in intermediate classes, the story of Mr. Chips. So he was very fatherly personality, and there was a tragedy in his life, the death of his wife. So I say that the death of his wife was not a tragedy for him, that was a great blessing for him. So in the way that there was a blessing in disguise, that आपको पता होगा कि ज़हमत की बेस में रहमत. So Allah Almighty blessed him with a young wife, and he is really satisfied. So as a junior, I would say that it's my wish, it's my prayer that in his future life he should make a better connection with that particular school, because he has a good service for that school. So wherever I will find an issue or problem, so definitely I will contact with him, and I hope that he will guide me in a better way. So thank you very much, sir.